native country of one of the only birds known to occasionally kill humans.
I would murder that thing. It has no arms, and it's smaller than me. This fucking thing attacks me, I'm hopping on its back and fucking going boom, and both of his legs are snapping, and then I'm choking him to death. Known to kill humans by slashing blows of the feet. Oh, of its feet. Oh, wait. It goes and fucking claws your like face off with its feet. Its innermost 3 toes have bear-like claws, and they can run 31 miles an hour. Ugh.